presentation of this evening's major awards. These categories represent the highest honors in our industry, celebrating the unparalleled talent and extraordinary achievements that have inspired all of us over the past year.
Tonight, we will recognize the finest performances, the most visionary directors, and the films that have left an indelible mark on audiences around the world.
And the honor to present these awards is given to two generations of showbiz excellence. This may be even the first time we see them working together.
Yes.
So please welcome the multi-talented, multi-awarded actress and the 7th Eddie's Choice Best Supporting Actress, the one and only Miss Gladys Reyes, together with rising talent, her son, Christoph Someru.
Magandang gabi po ulit sa inyong lahat. Isang karangalan para sa akin ang paggawad ng isa sa mga pinaka-prestiyosong pagkilala ngayong gabi. Ang award po para sa Best Director.
Ang kategoryang ito ay nagpupugay sa nagsisilbing ulo ng produksyon, ang kumukumpas sa lahat ng aspeto ng pelikula hanggang sa sinehan. Ang mga nominado para sa Best Director ay sina...
For Best Director, Derek Cabrido, Malyari. Pepe Jokno, Bombusa. Zig Dulay, Firefly. June Robles Lana, About Us, But Not About Us. And Carl Joseph Papa, Iti Mapukpukaw.
And the Eddie's Choice is... June Robles Lana! About Us, But Not About Us!
Di ba nung nakaraan siya din? Sa Papas.
Maraming salamat po on behalf of Direct June, Speed at sa Eddie's. Maraming salamat. Hindi ko kaya i-express kung gaano kalaking bagay ito para kay Direct June. Para kay Direct June, congratulations!
And now to present the Eddie's Choice for Best Actor and Best Actress. Please welcome actor, multi-talented actress Max Eigenmann and versatile actor Joros Gamboa.
Good evening. We have come to the most sought-after award for male performers whose acting abilities strengthen their character's journey. And the nominees for Best Actor are...
For Best Actor, Elijah Canlas, Keys to the Heart.
Anet Ganda, Chigiboy, Boy.
Ding Dong Dantes, Rewind.
Pinapasok mo dito yan.
Hindi ko tatayan. Wala akong tatay.
Shit, I resign! Sinungaling naman pala yung lods mo.
Sabihin mo na lang kasi kung anong mangyayari.
Sabihin mo lang, dyan, wala na! Sorry.
Cedric Juan, Bombusa.
Mga estudyante ko, madadamay sila. Wala kaming kasalanan! Inisente kami lahat! Bakit kami kailangan mamatay na ganito?
Yolo Castro, Malyari.
Hindi ka nagkapatay. Ikaw ang nagkakapaligtas. Magiging halin mo katulad ko.
Pero ginawa mo, di ba? Mabuhusan kasi dahil sa'yo! Alden Richards. 5 breakups and a romance.
Gusto mo, hindi mo na ako lilipat bukas. Dito lang ako. Para lang may kausap na.
Hindi mo kailangan may plano agad, di ba?
Are we breaking up? Masakit sa akin na hindi ako yung tamang pinangako ko sa'yo.
And Romnick Sarmenta. About us. But not about us.
There was nobody left to save.
Oh, you know exactly what I'm talking about.
Anyone who knows us will instantly recognize the characters are us.
Delete the account now.
Who the hell are you?
And the Eddie's choice is...
Sorry, nanginginig pa rin po ako. I had to write a speech. Actually, this was for the Box Office Hero Award a while ago. But I wasn't really expecting to win, so just forgive me for shaking. I'd like to... gusto ko muna batiin lahat ng mga nominado dito. Jello said, Mr. Romnick Sarmenta. He's my best actor. And also si Dom tsaka si Alden, I share this award with you guys. Okay, can I just read this? Thank you to our dearly beloved editors for this award. I hold this close to my heart because it comes from friends from the industry. Thank you so much as we celebrate Philippine cinema. I'm reminded of the task. Dapat ba nagsusulat na lang ako? Mas kaya ko sabihin pag... I'm reminded of the task that we have at hand, which is to not just celebrate, but to carry on and make sure that we're leaving a good trail for people to appreciate and hopefully be inspired by what we do. I'm humbled by this and I'm sincerely grateful for the honor. Thanks to our dear Lord for always making sure that I'm properly guided by like-minded people. And to my family, my mom, who's my greatest fan and supporter and my strength, my son, who inspires me to always give it my best in everything that I do. My siblings, my managers, Tita Lulu, Erickson Raimundo from Cornerstone, and si Giselle po, ang aking better half sa lahat na aking ginagawa. Kung wala si Giselle, hindi ko magagawa yung mga trabaho ko. And I share this with you guys because I'm just half the effort. So thank you so much. You guys complete me. Maybe as family, my Dreamscape family, my Pamilya Sagrado family, Mr. M and Tito Mariol, my parents, who really raised me in this business. My Malyari family, Brian, bonus naman dyan. Congratulations sa atin. I hope this is just the beginning of something big na pwede pang gawin ng mentor. Maraming salamat. Ron Angeles. And of course, si Direk Derek, Sir Enrico, Pao, Omar, Chris, yung bumubuo ng production, all of us, my co-actors, maraming salamat sa inyo. Magaling Ate Rona, okay? Baka makalimutan ko salamat din po sa pagmamahal at pag-aalaga ninyo sa akin. My acting coach, my job was made easier because I had an acting coach on the set, Tita Angie Castrense. I offer this award to you. Hindi magiging maayos yung trabaho kung wala si Tita Angie. Ay, salamat. Okay, my fans, you guys are the reason why I do what I do para po sa pelikulang Pilipino. Thank you.
The portrayal of strong, independent women on screen is a vital task that the lead actress carries tonight. We honor her grace, her talent, her prowess with the Best Actress Award.
And the nominees for Best Actress are...
For Best Actress, Catherine Bernardo, A Very Good Girl.
Tama si Mama Beth. Basta maging mabuti ako, magiging mabuti yung balik ng mundo sa akin.
Lalamunin nila ako ng buhay.
Bakit ang hirap-hirap maging mabuting tao?
Charlie Dizon, Third World Romance.
Alam mo, Yuta! Kailangan ko din! Ano tayo mo? Ika na! Sino mo? Sa Green Grocery, ikaw ang panalo!
Ay, puntang ina mo ba? Ang taas ko ni, ano, ulitin ko ba?
Julia Montes, 5 breakups and a romance.
Ano ba? Parang mga tito ko lang sa yung tatay ko, mga babaero. I mean, don't get me wrong, ah. But still, I like men. Nasa na yun?
Marian Rivera, Rewind.
May parang ba talaga ako?
Taro mo! Mapako ako!
Alam mo, importante ang araw na to sa'yo.
Mukha kami dami sa init ang ulo mo.
Alam mo yung pakiramdam na gusto ko muli mabuhay.
Vilma Santos, When I Met You in Tokyo.
Eh bakit sinabi ko ba sa'yo ipacheck mo ako sa hospital? Sinabi ko ba gusto ko ba magpacheck sa hospital? Ginusto ko ba yon? I'm sorry, Lou.
And Maricel Soriano, In His Mother's Eyes.
Iniwan niyo ang bukas ang gate. Pero hindi niyo ako pinatuloy sa mga puso niyo.
And the Eddie's choice is...
We have two!
It's a tie.
It's a tie.
Charlene Dizon
And Julia Montes.
On behalf of Ms. Charlie Dizon, marami pong salamat sa SMED at sa Eddies for this recognition.
Ayun po ulit, good evening. Wala po ako masabi kundi maraming salamat. Kung alam niyo lang po, ako bilang nagtatrabaho po sa ating industriya, manomenado pa lang po eh. Napaka-sarap na po sa pakiramdam, pero ito pong binigay niyo pong parangal ngayon. Sobrang nakaka-inspire pa po na lalo pa pong pagbutihan. Magpapasalamat po ako ulit dahil si Direk Irene ang nagpalabas na kung anong nilabas ko sa movie na ito dahil sobrang duwag ko po na tao. Sobrang dami ko pong takot at hindi naniniwala sa kakayanan ko, kaya siya po nagpalabas niyan. Kay Kuya Mac ulit, na siya talaga nagkumbinse sa akin na gawin talaga to at kayanin ko. Sa lahat-lahat po na naniniwala, gusto ko lang pong pasalamatan kung kanino po ako nagsimula. Kay Tita Lulu, kay Tito Jake. Ngayon lang po ako makakapagpasalamat sa inyo. Kay Direk Bobot, sa Going Bulilit, kayo po ang unang nagbigay sa akin ng oportunidad na magkaroon ng mainstay show na hindi na ako papalitan kapag nasa set. Mr. M, ang lagi pong naniniwala rin sa akin at syempre hindi ko pa rin po makakalimutan si Sir Deo sa lahat po ng roles na binibigay niya po sa akin. First adult roles na serious roles na binigay niya po, siya po ang unang naniwala sa akin at syempre po sa aming bosses sa ABS-CBN. CVV, maraming salamat po. At sa mga hindi ko pa po napasalamatan, pasensya na po, pero bukod mula po sa aking puso, maraming salamat. At sa pamilya ko, mahal na mahal ko kayo ulit. Maraming salamat po.